So that is the opening bell for April 23rd, 2013. What do I see going on here? I see a very, very strong day in the marketplace. The market up strong. Netflix, $215 up strong here in Netflix. Should be interesting to see what the first 15-minute bar does in Netflix. Do buyers come in and cover some of their shorts? Is about 18% short interest. Viacom B down $1.30. That's not good for me. I'm long calls in Viacom B. Viacom B down $1, now down 90 cents. Whoa, Viacom B all over the place. VIX getting hit here a little bit. Netflix weekly 145 puts being sold for 45 cents. Not taking a trade here. CME up a little bit. COP up a little bit. Credit Suisse up a little bit. Credit Suisse, I'm going to offer some calls at 105. And then 125. So futures up 10 points today. Huge, huge rally today. Huge, huge rally. Apple was up over 5 this morning. I see ARO actually up today. Boyd is Boyd up 7 cents. Delta calls are down. Futures up 10.5 and look very, very strong this morning. Futures up 10.5 and look very, very strong this morning. GNC up, Google up, Goldman Sachs up, GT higher. Netflix now 218, was trading 213 in the after hours in the pre-market. So it should be an interesting 15-minute bar here in Netflix. SYMC up a little bit. OCZ down a penny. VIX getting crushed. VIX down again. VXX down. LNC higher. Linta higher. FDO higher. Long some calls in FDO. So the market's up, and I see Viacom B actually down. That's not good. Delta actually reversed and now up. DAL reversed and now actually up. Credit Suisse higher. Let's bring up Apple. Texas Instruments higher. Apple up 5.5. Let's bring up Apple on a 15. Futures raging here. Viacom B down $1.15. VIX moving. VXX moving lower. VIX moving lower. Futures selling off a little bit. Up 9.25. Off about 1.25. I don't see any unusual option activity that perks my interest. I do not see any unusual option activity that perks my interest right now. XTEX, nothing. KIM KIM up a little bit. Futures up strong. How is Viacom B actually down today? Netflix selling off here a little bit. 215, high of 218. In the after-hour session, it traded as high as 222. So that 222 might be a short-term top here. 222 might be a short-term top here. Delta now going higher. My May 16s are still down value because implied volatility is coming in Delta, DAL. Netflix reversing $7 from the highs. Netflix reversing $7 from the highs. Netflix selling off here. You know, I'm looking to see where if I can get my anything, if I can buy back my Condor for anything. I sold at 1905. Let's look to see where that is. I know my butterflies were 0, but my Condor should still have a little bit of value. It's like 22 bucks. I wouldn't mind paying 22 for it. How about, let's try to bid 22 for it. Bidding 22 for the Condor that I sold yesterday at 19, so I'd lose $3 on that if I got filled. So I'm trying to get my Condor back. It is a short delta, so I want the stock to go lower here in Netflix. I'm bidding $22 for my Condor. Bidding 20. Look at Delta moving higher, up 43 cents now. Delta moving higher. These calls are still not appreciating enough in value. Delta moving higher here. McDonald's up a little bit. LNC up a little bit. NRGM. NRGM July quarters are no bid at 75. Let's offer some at 60. They'll probably join me at 60. SPOO is on the highs, up huge. Futures up huge here. Tesla, see some activity here. TSLA. So I'm trying to buy my Netflix Iron Condor I sold yesterday. Trying to buy it back for a $3 loser. Better to lose 3 than 6. So Netflix, I need Netflix to sell off for my Condor to come close to me getting it back. VOCS coming up a little bit. Linta higher, McDonald's higher. Delta of 43 cents. My calls are worth about 42 cents. Apple selling off here a little bit. Possible short here in Apple. Possible short here on the close of the 15-minute bar. That does not close for another 7 minutes. I don't like to enter this trade in early. Do not like to enter this trade in early. GNC higher. I have a call butterfly on in GNC. VXX lower. 3/4 of the day is the VXX is lower from the opening. Coach up $6. The Coach straddle was $4.80, so that was priced a little bit cheap. VICR. Earnings after the close on the 25th. I see May 5 puts being sold and then bought, so I don't think anything of that. SWKS up 47 cents. We saw some unusual option activity in SWKS yesterday. SWKS, we saw some unusual option activity in that yesterday. Netflix popping back $5 from the lows. Interesting bar, doji bar right here in Netflix. I'm not shorting Apple is above the cloud on the 15. Futures on the highs. Futures look very strong. I would love to get out of my Netflix trade. Futures up 12.5, and they don't look like they're coming back here. Futures up very, very strong. Did I look across the board? I don't really see that much green. You know, everything's green, but by about 30 cents here. VIX trade is working out today. Let's bring that up real quick. Viacom sucks. How the market go up and Viacom sells off in the highs. So I was going to look at the VIX trade. This one's working out really nicely. This call spread swap is 20.50 right now. I paid a dime for it. XTEX, XTEX. So that is the opening bell for April 23rd, 2013. If you guys want to watch me trade Apple later on today, shoot me an email. I'll get you in the live trading room, Andrew@keenonthemarket.com. Thanks, and I hope you guys join the community soon.